Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tips and tricks number 11, how to find center point of shape. So as example, I will create shape with line tools. You can type line, press enter, and I will draw in here. As you can see, we have 4 corners in this shape. Now to find the center points, you can use the circle tools as the objects. Type a circle, press enter, and then you can press quote, type call, press enter again. The next open bracket, type n plus n plus n plus n. We use the for n because we have the 4 corners, and you can close bracket, divide by 4 corners. Press enter again. Now you can select the corner, click in here, line, the second, the third corner, and the fourth corner. Now it will be show for base point on the circle in the center of this shape. Okay, that's it for a basic AutoCAD tips and tricks tutorial, how to find center of shape. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.